Who's ready for an adventure? Let's journey through essay land together. Writing the body of an essay. When we started on our journey into this essay adventure, we stated 3 different ideas or stops that we wanted to visit. These stops are all part of the same journey, but offer 3 different parts of it. This is the body of our essay. When writing about your topic, remember to choose 3 ideas or themes that you want to inform the readers about. Here, students discuss examples of 3 themes to go with a topic they chose. The topics and themes are limitless.
Topic: my favorite weekend activities. Idea 1: biking in the park. 1. Feeling the breeze. 2. Observing nature. And 3. Staying active. Idea 2: watching movies with family. 1. Choosing a film everyone likes. 2. Making popcorn. And 3. Laughing or getting scared together. Idea 3: reading a new book. 1. Diving into new worlds. 2. Learning new words. And 3. Imagining the story's setting. This topic and the activities are ready for 3 separate paragraphs with 3 ideas to write about in each paragraph.
Topic: the best parts of my school day. Idea 1: art class creations. 1. Expressing oneself. 2. Trying different materials. And 3. Seeing classmates' art. Idea 2: recess with friends. 1. Playing games. 2. Chatting about the day. And 3. Having a snack. Idea 3: engaging science experiments. 1. Making hypotheses, seeing reactions, learning new facts. This topic and the activities are ready for 3 separate paragraphs with 3 ideas to write about in each paragraph.
Topic: why I love the 4 seasons. Idea 1: winter's snowy bliss. 1. Building snowmen. 2. Snowball fights. And 3. Cozy hot cocoa moments. Idea 2: spring's fresh beginnings. 1. Watching flowers bloom. 2. Hearing birds sing. And 3. Feeling the mild sunshine. Idea 3: autumn's colorful leaves. 1. Crunching leaves underfoot. 2. Pumpkin patches. And 3. Wearing comfy sweaters. This topic and the activities are ready for 3 separate paragraphs with 3 ideas to write about in each paragraph.
Each stop on our journey is explained in the body of the essay. Here is how to write the paragraphs in the body of an essay. 1. Understand your main idea. Your essay topic sets the stage for your adventure. For this example, our adventure is titled A Kayak Journey Down the River. Your essay topic sets the stage for your adventure. For this example, our adventure is titled A Kayak Journey Down the River. 2. Break down the main idea. The body of your essay will detail the main stops or moments during your adventure. For our river journey, we have 3 main stops: the river and recovering from a near capsizing. 3. Start with a topic sentence for each paragraph. The topic sentence introduces the reader to the main idea or event of that stop. Example, paragraph 1. The journey began with a breathtaking moment. Watching a peregrine falcon gracefully dive towards a man with a protective glove. Paragraph 2. Midway. We took a much-needed break, setting up lunch by the calming riverside. Paragraph 3. The tranquility was short-lived, however, as a sudden strong current tested my kayaking skills, almost flipping me over. 4. Add supporting details. Elaborate on what you experienced and felt during each stop. Example, for the peregrine falcon, discuss the elegance of the falcon's flight, the onlookers' reactions, and your own feelings of wonder. For lunch, describe the ambience of the riverside, the food you ate, and the rejuvenation you felt. For the near capsizing, talk about the surprise of the current, the adrenaline rush, and the relief after stabilizing the kayak. 5. Include examples or anecdotes. Share a short story or specific instances that add depth and emotion to your experience. Example, for the peregrine falcon, maybe there was a child nearby who was seeing such a bird for the first time and was captivated. For lunch, perhaps you had a memorable sandwich or you noticed some wildlife while eating. For the near capsizing, share your initial panic, the techniques you employed to balance, and the moment you realized you were safe. 6. Conclude each paragraph. Reflect on the significance of each stop on your journey. Example, for the peregrine falcon, this intimate interaction with nature reminded me of the delicate balance between man and the wild. For lunch, the lunch break was not just about food, but reconnecting with nature's simplicity. For the near capsizing, this close call was a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable power and the importance of always being prepared. 1. Understand your main idea. 2. Break down the main idea. 3. Start with a topic sentence for each paragraph. 4. Add supporting details. 5. Include examples or anecdotes. And 6. Conclude each paragraph.